Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can host or deploy your project, okay, from your PC to GitHub pages. Okay, so this is completely free, you don't have to pay for anything. And let me show you the project at first. This is my cat portfolio site, you can see. This is from the PC, you can see. Now I will host it by using GitHub pages. Okay, so let's go for this. And first of all, I will actually go to the browser and go for the github.com. Okay, github.com. Then here you have to create your account. Let me show you how you can create your account from here. Okay, so first of all, you will come to this page. Now go for the sign up option and continue with Google. Okay, or maybe you can actually use your email address and password and then username and all the things, and then you can give your country region and then you can create this account. I already have the account, so I'm going to go for the sign in. And here you can give your username. There is my username, and here I'm going to give the password. All right, sign in. Here we go. Now we have to actually go for this profile icon and then repositories. Okay, so here we are going to create new repositories, and here we are going to say test cat site. Okay, let's say I want to give it a name, test cat site GitHub pages. Okay, GitHub pages. So this is my project name. Now here I don't have to do here anything. I will actually create the repository here. Now here I'm going to go for this option, uploading an existing file. Now here I will drag and drop all the files and folder for in my project, cat portfolio project. So I'll go inside of it, and here you can see I have here index file, then all the assets and CSS and JS. I'm going to drag and drop them here. Okay, here you can see uploading and uploaded 4 of 4. Now commit changes, click here commit changes. Here you can see processing your files. So we have successfully added our project here. Now let's go for the settings. Okay, click here in the settings icon, and here you can see default branch is main. Here you can see, and this is our project name. You can rename the project name, but let's just keep as it is, and everything we have here. And now we will actually go for this option, pages. Okay, click here pages in the left side. Now I'll click here, and then I'll click here GitHub actions. Okay, here you can see GitHub actions. Now GitHub pages, and here we have static HTML. Basically it's an static HTML site. We have just only CSS and JS, so we don't have to worry about it. We will go with this one, static HTML. Okay, now I'll click here configure, and here we go. We have here, you can see static.yml. Now here we'll click commit changes. Okay, and we'll say commit changes once again. Now we'll click here static.yml. Here you can see we have action section here. We are going to go here, and you can see creating static YML. So its color is now different color. It's not green. So whenever the link will active for your project, then it will turn into green. Okay, so we have to wait for this. So guys, you can see within few seconds it turns into green. So yeah, now we can actually go here, static YML. Now we'll click here. Okay, here we go. Now this is our you can see this is the link you have to go to access the project, and here you can see, and this is the link we have to share if we want to share this with any of our client, let's say. So I'm going to copy the link, and let's say I want to open it in a new browser, and here I'm going to paste it, and the link is you can see this is our cat portfolio site link, and this is completely live now. So I have shown you how you can host or deploy it through GitHub pages. Okay, how you can deploy or host your project through GitHub pages. So guys, if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.